to take the IELTS exam but worried about your IELTS preparation. Am I right? You're not super sure that which institute to join because you might have heard the name of that institute, but you are not sure about the quality of the education at that place. But don't you worry, I'm here for you. आप सब मेरे टीचिंग मेथड से काफी फेमिलियर हैं और वो आपको कितना इफेक्टिव लगता है ये आपके कमेंट्स मुझे बताते हैं. You have the wish to practice IELTS with me, लेकिन ऐसा मे भी पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि आप सिटी मोगा दैट इज इन पंजाब जहां पर मेरा फिजिकल इंस्टीट्यूट है वहां से काफी दूर हो. क्योंकि अब आप IELTS की प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं मेरे साथ ऑनलाइन बाय फॉलोइंग माय वीडियो लेक्चर्स बेस्ड कोर्स लॉकडाउन सीरीज. It's a complete IELTS course that covers each and every aspect of IELTS. It's a crash course of 15 days, but we offer you 6-month validity so that you can study at your time, at your pace. आपको किसी डेट की वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है कि किस दिन से कोर्स स्टार्ट हो रहा है. 24/7 लाइव रहता है तो आपको किसी टाइम की वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है कि कितने बजे क्लास होगी. कंप्लीट फ्रीडम, 24 घंटे 6 मंथ तक ये कोर्स आपके पास रहेगा अनलॉक्ड वंस यू मेक द पेमेंट. और इन बिटवीन जितने भी अपडेट्स आएंगे आपके लिए रहेंगे फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. यू डोंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग एडिशनली. कोर्स इज डिवाइडेड इनटू डे एंड डेज आर फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू ऑल द 4 मॉड्यूल्स ऑफ IELTS, that is reading, listening, writing and speaking. On top of that, we offer you interactive grammar and vocabulary tests as well. You would get everything that is required related to IELTS by purchasing this course. Free study material in the forms of PDFs that you can get printed out, and then just follow my video lectures. Each and everything is so well explained. आपको मिलेंगे tips and tricks, time management strategies of all different modules. Especially reading जो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को टफ लगती है, कंफ्यूज करती है. इस कोर्स को बाय करने के बाद आप each and every question टाइप के टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स समझ पाएंगे और समझ पाएंगे कि कैसे 1 hour में आपको अच्छे से परफॉर्म करना है. एंड ऑब्वियसली राइटिंग, which is definitely a very difficult part of the IELTS exam. और इसके ज्यादा वीडियोस आपको YouTube पर मेरे मिलेंगे भी नहीं क्योंकि I do not want to offer them free of cost. But by buying this lockdown series course, you can get access to my writing videos. उसमें आपको समझ आएंगे all the different writing essay, task 1, task 2 formats. It's a course for both GT as well as academic students. It contains separate tutorials for academic as well as GT students. और अगर आप दोनों ही एग्जाम देने के बारे में प्लान कर रहे हैं आपके लिए इससे बढ़िया क्या होगा. सिर्फ 4000 में आपके पास दोनों ही कोर्सेज आ जाएंगे that you can follow and learn. As I said, it's a self-learning course, but फिर भी आपकी assurity के लिए हम आपको देते हैं WhatsApp group access. That means while attempting this course, you face any kind of problem or any doubt you have, you can reach us anytime. In fact, by joining this WhatsApp group, you become a member of a community where you find hundreds of students from all different parts of the world who are preparing for the IELTS exam or taking IELTS exam. So you can learn a lot from their experiences. At the same time, you can have an interaction with them, especially for speaking. One-on-one speaking, you guys can exchange your contacts with each other and practice speaking at your ease. What can be a better course than this to practice IELTS? So if you are interested, for your ease, we have kept day 1 tutorials free for you so that you can check how this course works and what it contains. And if you really like it, you can simply make the payment and unlock it. It will take less than 1 minute to buy this course and I can quickly show you how you will do it. Download IELTS coaching application if you are an Android user, and if you are an Apple user, download CLASSPLUS app, enter ORG code IELTS. Register on this application as a student, not parent. Once the application opens, click on Store at the bottom. Now click on Lockdown Series course. Now click on Contents and check the free contents of the course. So if you like, you can proceed and you will see this button, Pay the amount. Click on it and you will see multiple options to make the payment. It can be a debit card, credit cards, Paytm, Google Pay or other different wallets. And as soon as you make the payment, the course gets unlocked and you get instant access to my course. So I really request you to please check my course once, and if you like it, go ahead and buy it.